This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Monica Stevens. Looks like a model home. This stunning lakefront community is just what you've been looking for. The home features an open floor plan, LVP flooring in all main living areas. Beautiful crown molding throughout the main level, wainscoting in the dining room, white kitchen cabinets and granite countertops. Vaulted ceiling in the main level master bedroom complete with walk-in shower and jetted tub. The fun doesn't stop there and neither do the upgrades. The huge bonus room upstairs could be used as a fifth bedroom. This house has so much storage. Fenced backyard. And if that isn't enough, there is also the community pool with water slide, gym, wellness center, playground, sauna and indoor lap pool. Golf membership and boat slips available from HOA at additional cost. This will go fast. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Stevens at 865-966-1111.